Hello friends, today's topic Diwali Picks according to experts, a report. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Many brokerage companies announce their Diwali Picks and announce the target prices of stocks. We have compiled a list of major stocks which brokerage companies have placed target prices for the next 1 year until next Diwali. It will be very interesting to see how these stocks perform till October-November 2025. The following stocks would be worth tracking to make use of any opportunities to make profits in the short term. However, we need to see there is some market correction in the coming months. Stocks with upside potential as per JM Financial. 1. Reliance Industries, current price 2,719, 1 year target price 3,500, upside potential 29%. 2. Power Grid Corporation, current price 332, 1 year target price 383, upside potential 15%. 3. Bajaj Finance, current price 6,900, 1 year target price 8,552, upside potential 24%. 4. ICICI Lombard, current price 2021, 1 year target price 2450, upside potential 21%. 5. Jindal Steel and Power, current price 964, 1 year target price 1150, upside potential 19%. Now continuing, number 6, Nalco, current price 232, 1 year target price 264, upside potential 14%. 7. Gravita India, current price 2514, 1 year target price 3068, upside potential 22%. 8. Electra Green Tech, current price 1684, 1 year target price 2200, upside potential 31%. 9. Ashoka Buildcon, current price 247, 1 year target price 290, upside potential 17%. 10. Macrotech Developers, current price 1161, 1 year target price 1480 and upside potential 27%. Now coming to the HDFC Securities and their Diwali picks. Number 1, Bank of India, current price 105, 1 year target price 132, upside potential 26%. 2. JK Lakshmi Cement, current price 823, 1 year target price 936, upside potential 14%. 3. Jyoti Labs, current price 512, 1 year target price 600, upside potential 17%. 4. L&T Finance, current price 167, 1 year target price 219, upside potential 31%. 5. Nalco, current price 232, 1 year target price 270, upside potential 16%. Continuing, Navin Fluorine, current price 3376, 1 year target price 3948, upside potential 17%. 7. NCC, current price 311, 1 year target price 363, upside potential 17%. 8. PNB Housing Finance, current price 933, 1 year target price 1160, upside potential 24%. 9. Reliance Industries, current price 2719, 1 year target price 3243, upside potential 19%. 10. SBI, current price 820, 1 year target price 960, upside potential 17%. Continuing the matter of the video, the target price mentioned in the table is as per brokerage companies. For buying stocks for short term, we need to follow some indicator of technical analysis. Such stocks list will be useful to track certain stocks. Whether these stocks reach their target price the next 1 year is something we need to see. Only time will tell. If markets rally in the next 1 year, there is a good chance that most of these target prices will be achieved in the next 1 year. Of course, stock prices will not go up continuously with ups and downs in the period. At the end of the video, here is a quiz question. Usually in which sector is highest inflation observed on an average basis? There are four choices: A. School fees, B. Food items, C. Medical treatment, D. Fuel and gas. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.